Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Kizuna M688 massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Cut away the straps. Then remove the packaging material from the top of the chair. Now lift the box straight up and set aside. Next, remove the accessory box. In the accessory box, we have the remote tablet, the tablet holder, one power cord, 2 spare fuses, 2 spare clips, a quick start guide, the assembly guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's remove any remaining packaging material surrounding the chair. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, unwrap the plastic and fold it down towards the bottom of the tray. Next, lift the footrest out of the main body of the chair and place it on the floor. This next step will require some assistance from the partner. Lift the chair up out of the tray while one foot is holding down the plastic to fully remove the chair from the bottom tray. Next, locate the power cord and connect it into a grounded outlet. Then plug it into the respective port on the back side of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. Then press and hold the power button on the left arm of the chair until the button illuminates and then let go. Press and hold the button again until the chair resets to the upright position. Now turn the main power switch off. For the next step, position the footrest in front of the main chair body. Remove the footrest wrappings. Then connect the footrest electrical plug into the footrest electrical port. Push it in until it clips. Next, slide the 2 air hoses onto the respective air nozzles. Be sure to firmly seat the hoses all the way onto the nozzles. Before sliding the footrest into place, there are clips on the footrest pins that you will have to remove. The trick we found to do this is to use a screwdriver and gently lift a piece of the clip that is keeping it in place and slide it off the axle. Let's finish the installation of the footrest. Lift the footrest and slide the footrest hinge over the pin on the body of the chair. Slide the first one down the axle pin all the way. This should give you enough space to maneuver the footrest up onto the other axle pin. Then replace the clips to secure it into place. If you misplace or lose any of the clips, there are some spares in the hardware bag of the accessory box. Now let's install the seat cushion. Remove the remaining protective coverings from the seat, then the protective fabrics from the Velcro. Now lower the cushion into place and zipper it to the seat base. To finish installing, zipper the closure between the seat cushion and the flap on top of the footrest. Next, locate the tablet holder from the accessory bag. Place the tablet holder into the tablet holder mount, making sure the flat end lines up with the notch in the mount. Screw the chrome fastener down and tighten. Now place the tablet on the seat and attach the tablet cord to the connection port located on the right side of the chair. Be careful to line up the pins and key. Then push together when aligned. Screw the cords together to secure. Place a tablet into the tablet holder, then tuck away its cord inside the chair. toggle the main power switch back on and turn on the chair by tapping the tablet. Read and accept the warning screen, then run an auto program to ensure everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Kizuna M688 massage chair.